So hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to talk to you about the personal Facebook versus the business Facebook. And this is a topic I wanted to cover because I have worked with some clients, I have seen other people as well, and also I've seen agencies that they mix the personal with the business side of Facebook, and they shouldn't do that, because if they do that, they don't truly take advantage of the really power of the personal and the business Facebook, and they have a different goal. The personal one is for one thing specifically, and the business one is for another one. So in this video I want to explain you how you should use them and how they work. And I break this topic in 5 key points you should know before you start running your ads, so you can start using Facebook properly. Now, the first one is the main difference between them. So the personal Facebook is just like it says, personal, for your personal related stuff. And this is the front end of Facebook. This is actually why it's created for. To be social, to have friends, to create pages, to share posts, to like fan pages, and to share your videos, your life, everything you do it inside Facebook. And actually, this is the Facebook side that Facebook use to collect data, collect your interest, your behavior, your demographics, so that later, if you're a marketer or if you want to get all that information, you can use that info inside the business manager, which now I'm gonna tell you what is the Facebook business. Facebook business is where you're gonna manage all your business related stuff. If you want to create ads, you want to create pixels for your different businesses, you want to create different ad accounts and have inside those ad accounts different payment methods, you can do all that inside the Facebook Business Manager. Now, what is the main feature of the social platform, the Facebook Personal? Well, a normal Facebook user uses Facebook to share the life, as I mentioned before, the photo, the images, but I use it in the sense of doing my research, spying on my competitors, see what they're doing, see what is working right now, so I can implement that in my business. Actually, this is a really good tool you can use, because if you see sponsor ads on your Facebook feeds, you can see what type of interest, demographics, age range that person is using to reach you, to get to you, to see their ads. So you can use that and implement the same strategy inside your campaigns. And something I really like about the personal Facebook right now is that they have transparency, where you can see if a certain fan page is running ads. Let's say that your competitor, you go to your competitor fan page and you can see if they're running ads, and you can see what kind of ad they're running, and you can use that and use it in your favor, create ads better than them, so you can get better results. So that's what I use Facebook, and that's how you should use it as well. And now the third point is the main feature of the Facebook Business Manager. So I really like Facebook Business Manager because it actually helps you to take the true advantages of Facebook. It's a big backend platform that you can use to create audiences, you can create reports, get analytics on how your Facebook ads are performing, how is your audience performing, and you can schedule posts ahead of time. So if you like to plan, you can schedule posts for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or even a month. So this is something really useful. And let me tell you that right now, if you are currently running Facebook ads for your business and you are using the personal Facebook site for that, stop. You shouldn't be doing that. And in fact, there's gonna be a link up here so you can go and set up your business manager so you can start doing things properly. And this happened because most of the people, they don't truly know that if you have a personal business, a social platform, you're allowed to have 2 different business managers, okay? So you can start running ads and take advantage of the different tools you have inside the business manager. So now moving to the 4th point, we have that the Facebook social platform for organic traffic only. What do I mean by this? Well, let's say that you're working with a partner or an agency, and if they're just boosting your posts, shame on them, because they shouldn't be doing that. And you as a business owner, you should know what you're paying for. So please stop doing this, because the social platform, you should use it just to create social content, to make people engage with your posts. And how you can do this? By scheduling posts ahead of time. So you can do this in one day, schedule posts for the entire month, and in that way, you're gonna be creating posts consistently, get more brand awareness, get people to know you. So this is why Facebook is for, the social platform. And this also gonna help you grow not just your fan page of Facebook, but also your Instagram page. You should merge them together to create the best organic traffic possible. And the best thing of this is that it's completely free. So take this in mind. And now we're gonna go to the last point, which is Facebook Business Manager for paid traffic only. Well, as I mentioned before in my other videos, actually I'm gonna leave a video up here or in the links down below where you're gonna be able to understand why you should start using Facebook ads and how you can take advantage of the paid advertisement. And basically with the Facebook ads is that you're gonna be able to reach more people, to reach your ideal client, target those people by their interests, their demographic, their behaviors, target any place in the world, basically all the people that match your ideal client profile. So this is the main reason why you should start using Facebook Business Manager for paid traffic only. And now I'm gonna recap a little bit the main key points I mentioned before. We have the main difference between them is that one, you use it for your social stuff, your personal stuff, and the other one for all your business related stuff. The main feature of the personal Facebook is that you can spy. You can spy your competitors, you can see what they're doing, and you can implement that on your business as well. And the main feature of the Business Manager is that basically you can target your ideal client. As I mentioned before, you can use this to create reports, pixels, ad accounts, schedule posts ahead of time, and all different things. Now, Facebook social platform for organic reach or for organic traffic is the best way, because this is why you use it for, just to get a more engagement, create content. And the Facebook Business Manager for paid ads, for basically, as I mentioned before, to target your ideal customer, okay? And you should implement these two different traffic sources. And also I'm gonna leave another video where I talk about organic versus paid traffic, so you can truly know how this works and you can implement right now. When you finish this video, go implement that in your business. And I hope that you truly now understand how this works. If you need more help with this topic, maybe you have other doubts, maybe you want to know something I didn't cover in this video, please go to bgonlinesolution.com and schedule a call with us. We will be happy to help you. Without further ado, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss one of my videos. And if you have any question or maybe have a different point that I didn't cover here as well, mention it in the comments below. So see you in the next one.